Hi there, Loy Machedo speaking from LoyMachedo.com. Who's Loy Machedo and Think Personal Branding? It's 5:10 in the morning. I was about to go to sleep when I just checked the updates, and lo and behold, you have Yahoo Finance that says Bitcoin drops after Musk implies Tesla may sell the coin. CNBC, Elon Musk suggests Tesla may have dumped Bitcoin's holdings already. The Economic Times, Bitcoin slips below 50K after Elon Musk says Tesla won't take it as payment. That was 2 days ago. And Market Watch, there are quite a number of news outlets. So I decided I will read it and give you my thoughts. Well, you can show me some love in the comment section and share the video and whatever, blah, blah, YouTube's algorithm. Anyway, don't mind the background. I had not planned to make this video, but let me give you my thoughts. Okay. Now, Bitcoin tumbles after Musk implies Tesla may sell cryptocurrency. So it says here, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg. Oh, they've taken it from Bloomberg. Okay. Elon Musk continued to whipsaw the price of Bitcoin, sending it to the lowest since February after implying in a Twitter exchange Sunday. It kind of reminds me of Donald Trump, the same stuff, just using Twitter. That's why you got to be very careful when you use Twitter. And that Tesla Inc. may sell or has sold its cryptocurrency holdings. Oh, shitty. So much for the cryptocurrency enthusiasts. See, Tesla is accepting Bitcoin. We are going to become mainstream. Yes, mainstream. It's only, see, listen. Cryptocurrency, the technology of blockchain, like I've told you, is the future. Cryptocurrencies have its place, but right now it is only being used to hold it so that hopefully the value goes to 50,000, 100,000, 1 million or whatever. Personally, if you ask me, Bitcoin will keep going up, down, up, down. The day the last Bitcoin is mined, it'll come down to zero, absolute zero. It's going to be worthless because the reason why Bitcoin was brought into the world was to use it as a form of exchange for currency, as value. But today, people are just, like they say, investing means putting their money into it, holding on to it, hoping that this would go up to 1 million. Almost every cryptocurrency enthusiast I've spoken to for Bitcoin, they've said, I'm holding on to it, even if I buy 0.00 whatever, so that one day that 10,000 or 9,000 or 3,000, whatever I've invested will go to 1 million. Okay, so that's a hope everyone has. Like they say, if, dreams and hopes were horses, all the beggars in the world would ride them. Okay, so Bitcoin slid below 45,000 for the first time in almost 3 months after the billionaire owner of the electric car seems to agree with a Twitter post, said that Tesla should divest in one point, which was 1.5 billion stake in the largest cryptocurrency. It traded at $45,000, 270 at 5:51 p.m. in New York, down about 4,000 from where it ended Friday. Now, when the price goes down, Bitcoin enthusiasts, believers, and people who have invested many, many years into it, they'll be very happy. In fact, they'll be very happy even if it goes down to 100 or 10. Because the lower it goes, the more happier these guys will be because they will scoop it up. They'll want to buy it like crazy. Okay. The online commentary was the latest from the mercurial billionaire in a week of public statements that have roiled digital tokens. He locked nearly $10,000 off the price of Bitcoin in hours after saying Tesla wouldn't take it for his new cars. I don't know. There's something really wrong with Elon Musk. Some mental issue he has, or some unstable DNA. Something in his DNA. There's something seriously wrong with the guy. I mean, he's a genius when it comes to Tesla, when it comes to cars, innovating. Not following the status quo. Disrupting the industry. But he's a little mental. It's like, they say the thin line between genius and being completely cuckoo. I think he's going more towards being mad. Just like that guy of that, what was that? Antivirus software. What is that guy's name? He's also become mad. Can't get his name right now. He also became mad. These people who are a genius, they end up becoming mad. So I just feel like he's literally, I don't know, so much of stress that he's becoming mad. A few days earlier, he hosted Saturday Night Live, which was a total waste. I checked it out. It was just cringe, man. It was stupid. Why is he doing that? And, just trying to be popular. Yeah, I remember what I told you of fame and popularity. The more closer you go to the sun, your wings will burn. And joked that Dogecoin, a token he had previously promoted, was a hustle denting its price. A few days later, he tweeted he was working with Doge developers to improve its transaction efficiency. I think the Doge co-founder or someone, he also had something really bad to say about Elon Musk. He said that he's gone mad or something like that. He didn't have very positive things to say about him. Musk's disclosure in February that Tesla used 1.5 billion of its nearly 20 billion in corporate cash to buy Bitcoin sent the token price to a record and lent legitimacy to electronic currencies, which had become more of a mainstream asset in recent years, despite some skepticism. The only reason for its acceptance is because nobody wants to miss out on the action to make quick and easy money. Whether it's a property bubble, whether it's a .com bubble, whether it is, this Cathy Wood and Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey, all of them. Don't think for a minute that they are charitable human beings who are looking for the benefit of mankind. They all are master manipulators who are only looking to fill their pockets. Welcome to the world of capitalism. And you'll be a fool if you think whether it's the leaders of a country, whether it is CEOs of corporations, they're actually looking for your benefit. They don't give a fuck about you, man. They're only searching to fill up their retirement funds and the money that they make. That is the pathetic part of the corporate world. Anyway, you people want to believe, see, Elon Musk tweeted and all that shit. Okay. His latest dustup with Bitcoin started with a tweet from a person using the handle @CryptoWhale, which said, Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the rest of their Bitcoin holdings. With the amount of hate Elon Musk is getting, I wouldn't blame him. The Tesla chief executive officer responded, indeed. Now, I don't see this tweet as he wanting to dump Bitcoin, his Bitcoin shares. Rather, I think he was more responding to with the amount of hate Elon Musk is getting. I wouldn't blame him. I think he was agreeing more on the hate part. And I think he's primarily stressed out with the board of directors and the people, because ever since he took his stance on cryptocurrencies, the whole world has been going crazy. So, my logic says when you have enough and more shit to worry about, the last thing you need is even more shit, It's unnecessary. This, what he has taken on his head, is absolutely unnecessary. The Tesla chief responded, indeed, a Twitter account @CryptoWhale, which calls itself a crypto analyst in its bio, also publishes a Medium blog on market and crypto trends. By the way, my crypto clients, some of them do write on Medium. Musk has spent hours Sunday hitting back on several different users on Twitter who criticized his change of stance on Bitcoin last week. A move, he said, was sparked by environmental concerns on the power demand to process Bitcoin transactions. Remember, he changed his designation to some crypto chief or some chief. All this, in India, they say, chutiagiri, all the fuckable nonsense out of excitement. It's like a small immature kid, doing all this nonsense. See, the thing is, yes, he has so many incredible gifts. But I think this is his weakness, this Twitter, same like Donald Trump, just impulsive fucking tweeting. And this itself will lead to his downfall. He said at the time that the company wouldn't be selling any Bitcoins. It holds. Okay, that time he said. See, that time he said, we'll accept, Bitcoins for Tesla. That time he said. Now he changed it. Now he's saying, no, I'll not sell any Bitcoins. Who knows he's going to change it? People say lots of things, and then they change it. You remember even this guy, Nas Daily, he said, no, I'm never going to put videos on YouTube because I want it to be free for Facebook. Now, what? Now everything that he does is sponsored, the saying, and YouTube ads. People change their colors once they make money. Yeah. An outspoken supporter of cryptocurrencies with a cult-like following, which is very correct, on social media, Musk holds immense sway with the market-moving tweets. He has been touted Dogecoin, which I don't understand. It's as worthless as the diaper that my baby has on its bum, after it's soiled, with significantly elevated to the profile of the coin, which started as a joke. which ranks the fifth largest by market value. Tell me, what can you buy with a Dogecoin? Seriously, I'm asking one. The only reason people are buying it is to make quick and easy, fast money. This sickness that is there, quick and fast, easy money, as long as human greed remains, they'll always give justification to be greedy. Dogecoin was down 9.6% in the last 24 hours, trading at 47 cents last Sunday afternoon, according to data from coinmarketcap.com. Tesla didn't immediately respond to an email seeking comments on Musk's tweet on Sunday. Well, they will not respond. Okay, then Musk's Sunday social media escapades were the latest chapter of one of his zaniest weeks in the crypto world, famous for his wilderness. For diehard fans, a renewed slump in bitcoins and other tokens could have done nothing to deter crypto enthusiasts who say digital coins could many times their current value if they transform into a physical system. See, listen, they always say, there's this bias. Whatever you want to believe in, you're going to believe anyhow. That is why just check any YouTube video, check any CEO of a company that promotes Bitcoins. All of them, all the CEOs, all the cryptocurrency enthusiasts, they will swear on the life of their mother, father, their children that Bitcoin is going to shoot up and it's going to make 1 million per coin. And they don't have anything negative to say. Why? Because they wanted to succeed. See, when you're emotionally invested into something, you want it to succeed, even if you know that it will not. Because deep down, money is your driving force. So what can you do? We're looking for long-term, and so these blips don't phase us. Emilia Choi, President and Chief Operating Officer of crypto exchange Coinbase Global Inc. said, of course they'll say that. You expect the CEO of a crypto exchange to speak negative about crypto coins? Stupidity. Last week while the swings prevalent in the market, you're looking at long-term opportunity. Yes, fantastic opportunity to make easy money. Yeah, and you kind of buckle up and go for it. See, I'm not saying that people who invest in Bitcoins will not eventually make money if they hold on to it until it reaches its high peak. But here's a big but. Remember how many cryptocurrencies are there? Now I think more than 3,000, 5,000. Okay. You seriously expect me to believe, or you believe, every cryptocurrency in this world, every investor of every cryptocurrency is going to be a millionaire, is going to be rich? Then who's going to be poor? If everyone's going to be rich, see, remember, for example, how do I make money? When you give me your money, I make money. But if nobody gives me money, how do I make money? So this cryptos, somebody has to put in the money and then another person has to receive it, right? But if nobody is putting money into it, how do you receive it? What nonsense, people are, everyone singing, I'm going to be billionaire. Everyone, just like the property market, .com market, the telecom market. Everyone wants to be rich. Okay, then what else? Seatbelts were needed by anyone watching the crypto world in the past 8 days. Aside from Musk's antics that sent Doge and Bitcoin on wild rides, a host of other developments pushed around prices. Tether, the world's largest stable coin, disclosed as reserves breakdown that showed a large portion of unspecified commercial paper. Stephen Cohen's Point72 Asset Management announced that it would be trading cryptocurrencies. Yay! And a long-standing critic of the space reared its ugly head again, illicit usage. See, illicit, whether it's cryptocurrency, whether it's normal currency, there'll always be those kind of people. But with cryptocurrency, it was a little bit more before when the old Silk Road was there, because you could even get cocaine, drugs, prostitutes. But to be honest, you can even get that with cash. But the only thing is, your chances of getting caught is much more easier. Now, I think the governments are actually spying. Edward Snowden also has had an interview where he said that cryptocurrencies can actually be tracked now because you have a middleman, a company that's trading. So the chances are 100 out of 100 that you will be caught if you do anything illegal. And yes, governments love to spy on you. It's normal. It was reported that the owners of Colonial Pipeline paid 5 million ransom in untraceable digital currencies to hackers that attacked its infrastructure, while Bloomberg also reported that Binance Holding Limited, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, was under investigation by the Justice Department and Internal Revenue Services in relation to possible money laundering and tax offenses. Now, the cryptocurrency enthusiasts will say, oh, so what? So what? You think other companies have not done money laundering? You think other people do not buy drugs with legal money? You think that other companies have not cheated? Everything, yes. Everything, yes. But with cryptos, the chances for it to take place even more is great. Like, for example, this Colonial Pipeline. Why did they ask 5 million ransom in untraceable digital currencies? You answer me this question. Why didn't they give me currencies, normal currencies? Why? Bank-to-bank transfer. Why? You can't answer. You can't answer. Okay. Then, but for many crypto assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, I always mispronounce this. Long story has been not changed, said Simon Peters, an analyst with multi-asset investment platform. Of course, he'll say that because he deals in crypto. The emerging asset class, oh, fantastic, asset class continues to revolutionize many aspects of financial service. Oh, what a revolution, fantastic revolution, fantastic. And nothing goes up in a straight line. The long-term fundamentals of crypto assets remain solid as ever, rock solid. Put it up your, whatever. Bitcoin was already swinging wildly on the weekend before Musk tweeted. The 2 days tend to be particularly volatile for cryptocurrencies, which, unlike most traditional assets, trade around the clock every day of the week. Bitcoin's average on Saturdays and Sundays has come this way in at 4.95%. That type of volatility is owing to the few factors. Bitcoin held by relatively few people, meaning that price swings can be magnified during low volume periods, and the market remains hugely fragmented with dozens of platforms operating under different standards. That means cryptocurrencies lack a centralized market, yes, akin to traditional assets. This is from Bloomberg, reported by YAHOO Finance. Okay, now, one thing I do know. People who believe in Bitcoin, no matter what you say, even if Jesus Christ, Allah Akbar, and Durga Ma and Shiva and Amun-Ra and Thor and all the gods come down and say, listen, Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies is not going to work, still they will believe what they want to believe because people, this is how they are. I'm not saying that cryptocurrency is bad. I'm not saying that blockchain doesn't have a future. All I'm saying is the way it's going on now, like the Wild West, is not sustainable. This is crazy. These cryptocurrencies, so-called currencies, they shouldn't use the word currencies. The only reason they're there is because people want to make fast and quick money. And everyone is jumping into this, from banks to investments, is because they are hoping, okay, we put 50,000 per coin. One day, it's going to be 1 million per coin. That is the same story that happened with investing in property markets, investing in the dot-com bubble. It's basically the same story that goes again and again. The greed to make quick and easy, fast money. You put 100 and get 100,000. That drives and motivates the whole world. Anyway, this is what I have to say. I don't think Bitcoin is going to crash. The prices will go up and down. And when it goes down, these people are going to be very happy. They'll buy more and more. But I can assure you this much. The people who have to make money will continue making money, but big BUTT. There will be lots of people who lose money, lots. You who's watching, you'll say, fuck it, I'm never going to lose. Yes. You'll always believe positive. That's why when we sleep, we believe that we'll get up again. We believe the business that we run will succeed. But just remember one thing. The day a black swan event takes place, whatever it is, whether market crash or anything, there will be casualties. And when there are casualties, you will remember me. That's all I want to say. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is me signing off. Don't mind the mess at the back. It's 5 o'clock, 5:30 right now. Give me some love, guys. Give me some love. Put your comments down below. At least do that much. If you don't want to like or don't want to share the video. Okay? Having said that, I need to sleep. I'll edit this video, put it up. Bye. Take care. I need to sleep after this. Chal.